The origins of the treaty lay in an event. It did not happen through good faith alone. The event was that in 1948, April, incidentally, it was April again. Like in April 2025, India illegally, immorally held the treaty in abeyance and is still doing it. It was April 1948 when India for the first time stopped Pakistan's waters. The eastern rivers had some headworks which were feeding into the canals which were irrigating lands in Punjab. That water was stopped. And that was the trigger point from where the discourse and the discussion started, that an upper riparian cannot and should not do it. And it took 10 long years of negotiations. And it was negotiated under the auspices of international experts and the World Bank, fundamentally the World Bank, and in 1960 the treaty was signed in Karachi. And this treaty became a gold standard. This treaty even today is a gold standard. It is a treaty which was designed actually to prevent another layer of very serious conflict between the two countries. It was a treaty which was designed to protect a civilization. And it was a treaty which actually somebody said it in the first session, it was a bargain between the eastern rivers and the western rivers. And the eastern rivers were given completely to India, and for right or wrong reasons, but that's how the treaty stands. So now the intention seems to have completely changed. We'll talk about it a little more. I'll just briefly, can you run the, there are basically 12 articles of the treaty. One, first, of course, is the definitions, and second is the eastern rivers, which are all with India. The western rivers, which is the main question, it allots western rivers to Pakistan. India is allowed restricted use of water under strict limits. We'll talk about it, because we have to be real. We're in a real situation here.